A video released on Tuesday by the Ansar Allah media office, the Houthi rebels' media arm, showed what it said was militants boarding a vessel as well as explosions on the ship, sending black smoke into the air. According to Associated Press, the Houthis on Sunday attacked the Liberian-flagged, Greek-owned bulk carrier Magic Seas with drones, missiles, rocket-propelled grenades and small arms fire, forcing its crew of 22 to abandon the vessel loaded with fertilizer and steel billets for Turkey. On Tuesday night, the Houthis released a propaganda video that included their forces hailing the vessel in English over VHF radio, threatening it. The footage included masked Houthi gunmen later boarding the empty vessel, likely on Monday following the crew escaping. The gunmen stormed the ship's bridge, running over broken glass. They then appeared in drone footage chanting the Houthis' slogan, "God is the greatest, death to America, death to Israel, curse the Jews, victory to Islam." Finally, explosives likely planted on the vessel exploded, sinking it. The Houthis released a similar video after their attack on the tanker Saunian in August 2024. The attack on the Magic Seas drew international criticism. Another attack by Yemen's Houthi rebels on a Liberian-flagged cargo ship in the Red Sea killed 3 mariners and wounded 2 others, a European Union naval force said Tuesday, highlighting the danger of the group's renewed campaign targeting a key maritime route for international trade. The assaults are the first Houthi attacks on shipping since late 2024 on the waterway that had begun to see more ships pass through in recent weeks. Flights to and from Marseille were suspended Tuesday and traffic at the city's main train station was disrupted due to a wildfire threatening the southern French port city, local authorities said. According to Associated Press, the prefecture urged people in the affected areas to stay indoors and off the roads. With the fire approaching Marseille, the prefecture also advised residents in the north of the city to keep windows closed to prevent toxic smoke from entering their homes. Footage showed light smoke giving the sky over Marseille's old port a dusty aspect as water-dropping planes tried to extinguish the fire in the outskirts of the city, which has some 900,000 inhabitants. More than 700 firefighters were deployed to tackle the fire, which broke out near the town of Les Pennes-Mirabeau, with 350 hectares hit. There have been no reports of casualties. Marseille Airport announced that the runway had been closed at around midday. Sections of two major motorways also were closed to traffic. Several weeks of heat waves combined with strong winds have increased the risk of wildfires in southern France, with several breaking out over the past couple of days.
Regardez là, c'est Castellane. Regardez là, Castellane. C'est toujours pareil. Parce qu'il y a trop de vent, c'est compliqué. Regardez là. Commence là-bas aussi. Ça commence là-bas aussi derrière. Mais déjà, toujours là. Ça commence là aussi.
C'est dégueulasse ces vidéos à cause du vent.